Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by choosing the exact photos you want to share and ensuring your iPhone is ready. Open Photos and select Images or an album. This avoids sending everything. Once done, decide the method: direct export to JPEG, create an iCloud shared link, or prepare for a computer transfer. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection if using iCloud or AirDrop to Mac. You're doing this to preserve quality and metadata, so pick the option that matches the recipient's needs. Now you'll convert and move the photos. If you need broad compatibility, export images to JPEG via ShareSave to Files, then upload to Google Drive or Dropbox. If sharing an album quickly, use Share Copy iCloud link and send the link. The Android user opens it in their browser. If you have a Mac, AirDrop from iPhone to Mac, then connect the Android via USB or cloud storage to copy files. Make sure file names are clear so the recipient can save them correctly. Finish by confirming the Android user received and can open the images. Ask them to download originals rather than previewing thumbnails, and if quality is poor, resend the exported JPEG or compress the set into a ZIP for download. If an iCloud link fails to open, make sure the link hasn't expired and both parties have internet access. Alternatively, upload to Google Drive and set share permissions. If transfer stalls, retry with a different method. One of these paths will complete the share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.